Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we will looking for some cars. Let's go.
Wait, who was that?
I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Wow, Jackson Storm.
I tell you don't.
Oh no! Oh, maybe he can help me! He's shooting at me! Why is he shooting at me?
I haven't gone this fast in years.
Oh, it's Sherift the police car. Wow. Wow, yellow LightningMcQueen. Wow, number 4 racing cars. Wow, friends, Dinoco ChickHick. Wow, boost.
Get your kicks on Route 66.
Speed. I am speed. One winner, 42 losers. I'm faster than...
Wow, Dinoco LightningMcQueen.
Oh, thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. I was, hey, Vito. Aha, laugh it up. Real fun.
Wow, Wheather. Wow, Cruz Ramirez.
It's just like being on a real track, so put your hours in. Okay, let's hit the treadmills. Come on, show me what you got.
Wow, pretty fast. Who's the racer? No. She's not a racer. She's a trader.
Wow, very big LightningMcQueen here. Wow, a blue truck. Oh, yellow truck.
The King and Chick rounding turn 4.
And down the stretch they come, and it's...
Wow, LightningMcQueen.
Well, that's weird.
Wow, tomato. Wow, monster truck LightningMcQueen. Yeah, very cool. Oh, wow, friends, here monster truck tomato. Wow.
It's a lot of fun, bump, lifting my funk, making sculptures out of junk. What's that? There we go.
Wow, Francesco.
Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed. Ho ho! Francesco likes this Mcqueen.
Wow. Hospital car. Wow, helicopter. Wow.
Helicopter, helicopter. Paracofer, paracofer.
Wow, show Todoroki. Hey, it's Dinoco King.
Strip Wheathers have one more victory in him before retirement.
He's been Dinoco's golden boy for years. Can he win them one last piston?
Wow, cold weather truck. Hey, very big LightningMcQueen. Wow.
Drive it in deep and hope it sticks. Go!
Wow, Francesco truck. Okay friend, please like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you. Bye bye friends.